This is Mary. She is a super mom. Like all moms, she is super busy. She takes care of her family, she keeps a beautiful home, and she still makes time for her friends. Despite her busy schedule, Mary is a happy mom. But when nighttime comes and the rest of the family is asleep, she is awake. She's worrying about everything and everyone, especially her kids. Mary wants her kids to be scholarly and well-rounded individuals. But her worst fear is that when they grow up, they will struggle to meet the demands of a changing society. So every day, Mary drives her kids to multiple classes all over town to make sure they get the tools they need. But at night, the stress of driving all over town weighs on her mind and keeps her awake. Then, Mary found Brainopolis, a fun after-school program that combines coding, art, robotics, and science all together in a single program called Cars. Now, Mary doesn't have to drive all over town or worry about keeping her kids busy and productive. And best of all, the kids love learning and playing at Brainopolis. Cars is a program designed for kids 5 to 11 years old, and it is open from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. Kids can participate 2 to 5 days a week. The activities include learning to code computer games, 3D animation, robot assembly and programming, DJ music creation, and hands-on science. Give your kids the gift of creative thinking and watch them speed to success as they get the tools they need for the future. Just like Mary, you can sleep tight with no worries, because Brainopolis does the work for you so you can focus on other activities that you like while we teach, guide, and care for your children in a fun and enriching environment. In this ever-changing world, we are constantly adapting our program to emerging science and technology in order to give your kids the tools they need to race to their full potential. So bring your kids to Brainopolis. They'll love our cars, and you will finally get a break from your car. Brainopolis, teaching kids to think for the future.